Yo, Team Fullest! I'm so excited. My wardrobe is finally here. I'm really excited. The wardrobe is here. And if you guys know me, I have no patience. I have no patience. We're about to fix this wardrobe. The cleaning cost is here. The cleaning cost is here. So we're about to go and fix it. I'm really excited. I've already cleaned up the room. Like, I'm doing as if I have strength. I don't have strength. I'm tired. But I'm tired, but yo, I have been waiting for this wardrobe for 1980. So one has to go and fix it. Stay tuned. When I'm done fixing, I will be back to show you guys the finished results. So we are fixing the wardrobe. It's not a really big wardrobe, but it's quite okay because I do have also a built-in closet. So this is where I'm going to be hanging, and you have like one somewhere to pack and then the rest is hanging. So this is how it's looking. So far, so good. We're getting there. Hi guys, we're done with the closet. Don't even dare to ask me what time is it right now, because I'm not going to say. We fixed the closet. It's done. It's done. It's like, that's the mattress of the bed. And this, let me flip the camera around to show you guys. The room's a bit messy. We're just done fixing the closet. I still have to clean it, but let me just flip the camera around and show you guys how things are looking. It looks really nice. Exactly what I want. So excuse my mess, you guys know I'm all dirty, but this is the closet, you guys. It's so beautiful. So this is what the closet is looking like. It's full mirror. So this side is just going to be for hanging. It's just hanging all my dresses now, and it's full mirror. It's not like the one in my daughter's room before that was kind of like stripe, but this one is full mirror. And this other side of the closet is like this. I don't know if I can zoom things out. Yeah, but this one is like this, as you guys can see. So you have space where you can hang, but you have these two here. This is how I build it. And I'm going to buy this small mini drawers where you can have like your undies, your bra, and other stuff in there. So yeah, this is a closet, and this is the mattress for the bed, but the bed is not here. So the bed is going to be standing here, this side of the wall. And yeah, the room is not that big, but it's quite okay. And there is where I have my filming stuff. So I'm quite happy. I'm just gonna leave the closet to breathe, and then tomorrow I'm going to start packing and all my stuff. But yeah, I'm super excited. I'm really excited. I'm a little bit of a mess right now. I'm kind of dirty because yeah, I couldn't just wait. And everybody is sleeping right now, so I have to be quiet. Everybody's sleeping, but I just couldn't wait. So I'm done fixing. So tomorrow I have to clean these things up. I'm thinking of getting a small drawer here where I can have my makeup stuff like this on top of, and my perfume. So I'm gonna get something here. I don't know what size, but I'm looking for something to put there in the corner. So yeah, even though there's not gonna be a lot of space, so if I put something here, it's not gonna be a lot of space if you want to come in. But it's okay, we have to manage at least. But yeah, so far so good. I'm really happy for the closet. It's like full length mirror. Both the two doors are mirrors, just like the one in my former bedroom. So as you guys can see, it's pretty nice and it's really tall. So you can have some stuff on top of it as a storage if you want to. But for me, it's quite just like this. It's quite okay like this. I'm super excited. So yeah, I'm just going to take a shower right now, and go to bed and sleep because I'm tired, exhausted, moo, kapot, just name it. I'm just tired. I just couldn't wait for the next day to fix this closet. So finally we're done fixing it, and all I want now is just to take a hot shower and go to bed. And tomorrow is weekend. Tomorrow I'm going to organize and pack everything, and I'm just so happy, honestly speaking. So stay tuned for tomorrow, and you guys can see my hair is just a mess. I'm just tired. Anyway, I was supposed to do my hair today, but nobody got time because the closet is here, so I have to fix it. But yeah, see you guys tomorrow, and sweet dreams. So, Team Fullest, this is the next day, okay? After we fixed the wardrobe at night, the bedroom was looking a mess, so I've kind of cleaned things up a little bit. Things are starting to look a bit okay? So, there is just still the same. I'm going to order something for hair, and this just makeup. Here at first I had my makeup stuff covered up because I don't want dust to go there. And these are just some wigs, some pillows for the beds, because this room, everything is just, I need to get everything fresh. So new pillow, new blanket, everything needs to get fresh for here. So we got that done. I just decided to hang those stuff right there instead of behind the door because if I'm going to sit here to be filming my beauty videos, I don't want anything to show here. The only thing I want something to show here where I can put this my makeup container on top. The one is right on there, so both of them can come on top here. So there's gonna be something here, and yeah, this is gonna be like this, and the mattress is still here. I'm just praying that these people send me an email. Lord Father, I'm manifesting the universe. Can you hear me out? Let these people just send me an email and say Tuesday or Wednesday, your bed is going to be delivered. Or even this week, this new week that is coming, that your bed is going to be delivered, because the bed is the only thing. Because if the bed comes, then I'll think of changing the lamp. Little things I'll need to change, but first the bed is the major thing. The wardrobe is here, it's already fixed. I already have my stuff in the wardrobe, but it's not properly organized, so I'm not going to show that because I really need to organize my entire closet. I do have, excuse my skin being peeling because I'm using this peeling stuff from The Ordinary. So yeah, I'm kind of taking care of my skin right now because I've been a little bit stressed out. So yeah, but I need to organize my wardrobe and clear things up. But yeah, this is how everything is looking right now. This is the wardrobe, as you guys can see. It's quite tall. It's a very long wardrobe. It's so this is the wardrobe. This is just the same one in the other room. The mirrors are not cut. This is the reason why I buy this one. It is expensive. Yeah, this is very expensive. I don't know what is expensive, very expensive, some of you guys, but it is expensive. But hey, I don't compromise when it comes to myself, because I believe in this life, what you eat is what you have. You know, when you die, you die. You can't take everything to wherever you're going after life. So you just have to take care of yourself. And there's two places in the world that I believe that you can find peace. Your house, number one. Your grave, number two. And nobody wants to suffer themselves to finally find peace in their grave. Well, not me. So I'm going to find peace in my house. And I like to have things that I love and I really, really love in my house, because this is somewhere I'm going to be sleeping, waking up. This is somewhere where I'm going to be spending most of my time, like sleeping at night, doing videos, editing. So I really want things to be in here that I really, really like. I just don't want to do stuff because I want to do it. So things might be a little bit expensive. The things I get may be a little bit expensive, but these are things that I save for. So it's not something I just wake up one day and be like, I'm going to change this room. I know it seems like that when you guys see the videos, but it's not like that. I really save and I plan myself. I didn't study finance in school, but being a mom of 3 kids, let me just say my finance game has a bachelor degree. So my finance situation, my expertise in finance, I can have a bachelor degree, okay? So, but yeah, but this the wardrobe is really nice, but it's expensive. So you guys can see it's full mirror. It's full. Okay, you guys can see me now. I'm looking a bit crazy. I'm home. Like this is how I dress. I'm home, especially when I'm having hoi court. When I'm having allergic reaction, my hoi court is killing me. So this is how I'm gonna look like. Okay, I still need to do my hair. Don't judge. That's why I put cap on. Okay, but I'm matching outfit. But yeah, this is the mirror. So you guys can see. This is what I love. So if the bed is going to stand here, the bed is going to stand here. So when you're lying down, when you're on the bed, you can actually see yourself. I would prefer the wardrobe to stand there where I can do like selfies. But it is what it is, okay? I can't. It is maybe if the closet, if the small drawer that I'm going to buy, I can push the wardrobe a little bit this side and put the drawer here. I'm not too sure about that yet, but I have to see first how things go. But I don't mind. I can do bed selfies. Like we can do bed selfies on the bed. I have no issue with that. But yeah, I really love this. What I love, I just love that full length mirror. You know, it was a struggle fixing it at first. I almost give up and say let's continue the next day. But then I was like, hell no, we're gonna fix this thing. I'm so impatient. Like I couldn't, when I go back and just analyze and think about everything, and I was like, why am I so impatient? Why didn't I just wait for the next day and we finish it? But I'm happy that I was impatient because we did it, and I could able to do other things today instead of thinking of how to fix this wardrobe. So this is what the wardrobe is looking like, very tall. Let me actually just give you a sneak peek of how this side is. You have just the normal, you can hang clothes, and you have two of this. And here I didn't have, it's just hanging stuff. This all, not all my clothes because I have also there, but I need to organize all of this. There's some things here I don't wear anymore. I need to wash everything and organize everything nicely. So this is just hanging space. There's nothing to fold in here. I don't like folding clothes. So I just hang some of them here. And here I also kind of try to organize some of the stuff here. Now I have all my jacket in here. I still have to organize. There's still some clothes here. Now I do have a lot of things, man. And there also, so that's the reason why I need to buy the drawer that is going to stand there so I can put some of the stuff in here. But so far so good. Let me turn the camera around so you guys can see. So far so good. But yeah, but so far so good. The room is looking really nice. It's getting better. Excuse the stuff. I just covered my makeup because I don't want dust to go in here when I was cleaning this room. Reasons why I covered it. But so far so good. Things are looking really nice. So when the bed comes, we change the lamp. I know I'm thinking of changing the lamp first before the bed come, but I really want to go for a theme. Like what I'm going for, I want the bed to first stand. If the bed stand and if this lamp is kind of fitting to what I want, I'll just leave it. But if I feel like, okay, it's not matching to what I have in my head, and I'll just remove it and fix the one that I have in my head. So yeah, but so far so good. Mattress is still there, holding on for the bed to come. But yeah, this is it. This is the finished result of the closet. I hope you all like this video, and if you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box, and I'll see you all on my next video. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you all, and I'll definitely come back to show you guys a full review when the bed is here, when we finish this room, when everything is set. You guys are definitely gonna get a bedroom tour. But for now, this is what I'm dealing with. Okay, peace out. Bye.